Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I have another designer series paper reveal for you. This is the Peaceful Place 12 by 12 designer series paper. It is a specialty designer series paper, which means that one side of it is super fabulous and has a foil design to it. The other side does not have the foil design, but also has a wonderful pattern that you can use for many occasions, even past the holiday season. This paper will be found in the mini catalog, July to December 2021. So I'm going to go through each sheet of this so you can see it on a full scale of the 12 by 12 rather than the little swatch that's in the catalog. And this paper includes colors smoky slate, basic gray, black, and silver. So I'm going to go through each sheet. Let me know which one your favorite one is in the comments below, and I'll share with you my favorite at the very end. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite sheet from the Peaceful Place 12 by 12 designer series paper? I have to say mine is the foil with the trees here, as well as the trees in this one. But I'm also loving the snowflakes for this one as a smaller image because some of these are going to be so hard to cut up because they're so gorgeous. But don't forget to go ahead and cut that paper and enjoy it as much as you can. You can, of course, check out lots of fabulous ideas to use your designer series paper on my blog, laurastamppad.com. You can get lots of inspiration, great ideas, as well as other information about stamping and paper crafting. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new and check out all my other designer series paper reveals in the playlist at the end of this video. Have a great day and happy stamping. Bye-bye.